Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice simplification problem that is 2 to the power 18 plus 3 to the power 20 plus 6 to the power 10 whole square root. So we have to simplify this problem. Let's start our solution. Our problem is 2 to the power 18 plus 3 to the power 20 plus 6 to the power 10 whole square root is equal to. Now this 2 to the power 18 can also be written as 2 to the power 9 times 2. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. And similarly, plus 3 to the power, this 20 can be written as 10 times 2. Plus this 6 is actually the product of 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 whole to the power 10 whole square root. Now our next step will be, here we have 2 to the power 9 times 2. We know that by exponential properties, if we have a to the power n times m, it is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. And similarly, if we have a times b whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power n times b to the power n. So applying these two properties here, then it will be 2 to the power 9 whole squared plus 3 to the power 10 whole squared, and it can be written as 2 to the power 10 times 3 to the power 10 whole square root. Now square root of 2 to the power 9 whole squared plus 3 to the power 10 whole squared plus 2 to the power 10 can also be written as 2 to the power 1 plus 9, which is equal to 10, and here we have times 3 to the power 10. So 2 to the power 9 whole squared plus 3 to the power 10 whole squared plus 2 to the power 1 can be written as this 2 to the power 1 plus 9, that is 2 to the power 1 times 2 to the power 9, and here we have 3 to the power 10. Applying this property here, if we have a to the power m plus n, it is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So whole square root. Now here we see that according to algebraic formula, if we have that a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, it is equal to a plus b whole squared. So applying this formula here, then we see that it is our a squared, it is b squared plus 2 times a times b. So here we have that is square root of this whole expression is equal to 2 to the power 9 plus 3 to the power 10 whole squared. Now this square is cancelled out with square root. We get that 2 to the power 9 plus 3 to the power 10. Now 2 to the power 9 plus 3 to the power 10 can be written as 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. So here we can also write this one 2 to the power 9 plus this 3 to the power 5 whole squared. Now we know that 2 to the power 9 is equal to 512 plus 3 to the power 5 is equal to 243 whole squared. Here this 243 can also be written as 512 plus 243 times 243. So here 512 plus 243 times, if we split this 243 like 200 plus 40 plus 3. Now multiplying this into parentheses, we have 512 plus 243 times this 200 plus 243 times 40 plus 243 times this 3. So here 512 plus, here we just write two zeros. 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 48 and 600 here. So plus, here we just put 0 here. Then 4 times 3 is 12 to 1 carry. So 4 times 4 is 16 and 1 17. 1 carry, 4 times 2 is 8 and 1 9. 9720. So here plus 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12 to 1 carry. 3 times 2 is 6 and 1 7. 729. Next, here if we just rearrange this one, 48 6 0 and 0. So sorry, here we have plus 9 7 to 0, and it is plus 7 to 9, and then plus 512. Now adding these two, then we will get 0 plus 0, which is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 6 is 13, and we just write here 3, 1 carry. So 9 and 1 10, and 8 it is 18 and 1 carry. So here we get 4 and 1 5. 5 add 3 to 0, plus adding these two, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, and 2 4. Here 4 on, that is 5, and 7 we just write 12 here. So adding these two, we get that 1 plus 0 is 1, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 8 is 9, and we get 5 9. So 59561. It is our simplest form of this problem. So it is our final answer. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So we are going to just review our problem step by step. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.